1, 2, 3. Baby, 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 don't you know yet? I've been on a high.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Leslie Ann here. If you're new to my channel, I do all types of different videos. I do shopping hauls, vlogs, travel, cooking, beauty, fashion, you name it, I'll probably do it, to be honest with you. Yes, if you are new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Anyway, I've got a little bit of a shopping haul for you. I haven't got loads of bits. The bits that I have got, I thought I'd share with you because I know somebody else bought this. I'd want to see it. You know what we're like for our little shopping hauls. So I've got items that I bought in Poundland. Always a favourite, isn't it, Poundland? I went to a charity shop. I don't have many items in here at all, but I just thought I'd share it with you. I'm going to start with Poundland, as I mentioned them first. I picked up these. This is a pack of the A4 document wallets. As I say, 4 in a pack, and on here it says pose, strut, strut, strut. Pose, strut, strut, strut. I liked it purely and simply because it's yellow. I absolutely love yellow. So they are all identical in here. This was actually £2 for this set. The reason I've got these is because we've got 3 dogs of our own. We keep all their insurance papers and sort of vaccination cards and everything from the vets. We keep it all sort of together, but we're thinking of just like marking one up for each dog, so that rather than have to sort through all the papers every time we need to go through them or take dogs to the vets, they've each got their own folder, and then we can just pick that up and take it with us. So that makes life that little bit more simple, yeah, a little bit easier. So that's why I got those. I also picked up another one of these. I love these. I've actually got, I'll show you guys. So here I've got the rose gold one there. I've got the silver and black one there, and another rose gold one here. As you can see on my dressing table, I absolutely love them. You can just like put loads of stuff in there. This one I picked up, the black and silver one. I picked this up to go with my daughter's birthday present. One of my daughter's birthdays on the 24th of July, and I thought rather than buy, you know, like a gift bag that you can pay £1 or more for, a really nice one, I thought I'd get this and I'd put her gifts in this, because then she's got the use of the little box afterwards. And it's one of those where you've got the sequins that if you do this, they sort of change the colour, so they're white underneath. And I thought she'd probably appreciate the this colour as opposed to the rose gold pinky one. So that was everything actually that I got in Poundland. I just didn't need anything else. Then I went to a charity shop, and this was from Salvation Army charity thrift shop, and it's a little dress. I think it might be a little bit of a bugger to iron, to be honest with you, but hey ho, I'll iron it while it's damp. And okay, so as you can see, blue and white cotton. It has pockets on both sides. It's got a really pretty little waistband here with the stripes going the other way, and then it's a little bit elasticated there, not fully but a little bit, with this lovely frill ruffle detail here, and it's like that across the shoulder. So you've got like your shoulder and your arm out one side, and this side is covered. I thought it was really pretty. Dogs are barking. Why? I paid £2 for this, guys. Look at that, £2. How good is that? And this is from a company called, this is the labelling, so it's got www.roy.com. Never heard of them, but I'm really liking it. So I need to get that washed, ironed, and then either pop it on the video or take a photograph of me wearing this. But that I thought was a bargain for £2. Last but not least, I went into New Look. There you go. And I picked up just a little bit of jewellery that was on sale. It had 60% off. And so I picked up these earrings. These were £2.50. And I just think they're so pretty. They're mostly gold tone. But what I really, really liked are the shells. Been after a little pair of shell drop earrings for a while, and I haven't really found ones that I really like. They were either too long or the shell just wasn't what I fancied. But yeah, look how cute are these. Really pretty, aren't they? And then you've got the other shells on this side, and then these you've just got like all your little studs, and you've got pearls. And I just thought £2.50, brilliant. They were originally £5.99, so yeah, really like those. And then I picked up this was £1.50, originally £3.99, and it's obviously it's not the gemstone, but it's a turquoise stone. As you can see, I love my rings I've got, and I just thought it was very similar to this, as in with the veins in it and everything. Although this one's real and I know this one isn't, but you'd never know, would you? And so I've picked up this one for my little finger. But when I got to the till, I mean, with one of them saying £2.50, the other one saying £1.50, so that should have been £4. When I got to the till, it was £3.50, and they had only charged me £1 for the ring. So bargain. So that was just the 3 shops that I went into. I've ended up with a dress for £2, a ring, lots of different pairs of earrings there for £5, and then like the little bits that I popped that I got in Poundland. So yeah, that is everything that I got, but I thought I'd share that with you guys anyway. So until next time then, my darlings, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.